Okay, ready. Ready, Marines. Okay, ready. Position. Position, Marines. Position. Okay, move. Verifying.
Full way. Full. One door to the left, one door to the right. Okay? Copy. Move. Move. Go. Stop on me. Stop on me. Ba. One up. Two up. Three up. Four up. Third. Clear. 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 Ano itong intradamit? Pagkuhan dito, itit na ta.
Sige. Sige. Sige.
What up? Two up.
So, so 6-man team man ni sila, no? So, divide nila ang 2 rooms kay inatbangay ang duha ka open. Sige, ready. Yun. Pasok. Ya lang. So, security ang duha sa hallway. Ang duha nisulod sa room. Yan ang duha po nisulod sa room. Move. Tama. Then, ang next scenario is inatbangay gihapon ang duha ka door. Inatbangay ang duha ka door. So, duha ka door ang ginatbangay. Open door. Move. Nice.
Come out! Yan na.
Oh, una man open door. So, dari.
1, 2, 3.
Security lang ka. Dari nakatubang siya. Shari.
Report ka. Naay kuhan. Really coming out.
Release coming out.
Really reports coming out.
Release coming out. Release forces coming out. Come out.
Oh,
Come out.
Come out, coming out.
likod, sir. Likod ni kuan, likod ka. Yan na. Oh.
Dim na lang.
Oh.
Padim na lang. Panil. Panil lang siya. Panil na lang. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Pero yung tatlo.
Good. Okay. So they are performing close quarter battle, no? Yan. Since dako ang hallway.
Ayaw magdakot na. Dakot. Dakot. Sir. Kaya. Ready. Shock. Up. Room clear. What up on me? Move is near.
Friendly forces, come out.
Come out.
Move, move. Move there. Stop on me. Friendly forces.
Come out. Come on. Door left. Door right. Door right.
Security siya. Move. Go clear.
Tama.
Stop on me.
Move up. Clear.
Friendly forces coming out.
Forces na stop on me. Kamu stop ipan. Report mo nga.
Caliber. Ano?
Caliber? High caliber, like high Mars or? Okay, caliber. This is what's your headquarters? What's the
Patrol
range
base.
Huh?
Patrol base.
No.
Spartan base.
This is Camp Aguinaldo. This is headquarters. Go ahead and start your mission. Okay.
Sige.
Go. Buti.
One, two,
Buti na.
3, 4. Staggered. 5.
Stagger.
8. Staggered. Dili, ano? Yeah, window.
Hey, you guys are.
Stop. Surge. Stop. Move. Yan, ganyan. So, they are, as you can see, ang Alpha team facing sa left, ang Bravo team facing sa right. So, so morning ang ginatawag patrolling. Then, ang rear man, Sarge, asa ka nag-assign, Sarge? Dito siya sa likod. Likod siya, naka-front, naka-point. So, ako, diri ko sa left. Kung nagdagan mo tong radio man, then there's a call from headquarters, kaya niduol siya dito sa mga team leader, and our call signs is Caliber. So this is our team, the last man, and I'm here. So ang nangyari kasi, may mga plans na pala sila doon, hindi umabot sa amin ang message. So kailangan i-pass the word para everybody knows what's going on. Kasi nitabo dito. So like that, pass the word. Yan. Okay, see? Pass the word. So this is it, our order. Lahat kami sa seawall. So yan. Ayan. Again, the radio man. Labas, baril sa labas. Sa dagat. We are now patrolling in an open field. So, look at ang distance na mo. This is the Alpha team. Kami. That is the Bravo team. Led by Sarge Grande. So kami, itong Alpha team. So yan. After naka-receive ng message si squad leader, team leader. So, yung i-report dito sa squad leader para i-disseminate ang message. Ayan.
Okay sa dulo.
Okay, perform!
Yan.
Okay, bira! Let's run! Bira na!
Bira! Yeah. Us.
Supposed to be...
Last man!
You guys supposed to that first, then you guys next.
Ah,
And what, all the way through. Okay.
so baliktad. Naging baliktad.
Last man! Iloy yung sigaw nyo dyan! Iloy! Okay. Okay. 60.
Search team.
No, sit down, sit down, sit down. The right side, yeah, because that one ended end line, the portion of that end did end. So there's a maybe there's a portion there maybe, I think. It's possible. They have mini cars, have water. So we did that to search that sector first. Then and then the left side. So we need the Bravo team say the road is because and the Bravo is so two personnel have company. Here there's nothing wrong with that either, right? But for me, I just come there to the road, I look down the road, it's clear, go ahead, and then I'll keep pulling security. And then I'll wait till my guys go. But in your case, you guys saw clear, and then you went some more, and then you clear again. That's okay, right? Because maybe there's a tank at the other side, and they come out and shoot. Maybe make sure that the starts leading, yeah. Because that one team leader of Alpha. That's why you guys did it. Yeah, that's okay. To be 100% sure, because the road wasn't that far, that's no problem, right? You want to save lives. You want to be sure to save your comrades' lives. Okay, so we got back online. As we came down, I said there's IED, and then IED at the intersection. I said there's IED on the road. You guys did what I would have done. I gave the army guys the same scenario, but instead the army guys used the tree line. The tree line's okay, but there was IEDs on the road. If the IED blow up, it's gonna take that tree line with it. So you guys did a good decision to come here. So the wedge is okay. You know what I would have used? Because enemy is nearby, I would have made sure everybody, one wedge here, you bound. Bound. The reason I would do that is because they already gave intelligence that enemy is nearby. So one team is pulling security while the other team is moving. This team is set,
for security, and then this team move, right? The squad column's okay, but it's mainly used in open field when enemy is not imminent, right? Where enemy is unlikely. That's when you use the squad column. But when enemy is likely, you bound. That was still good. What I want to ask with here is, that's already 3 times I saw the Marines, they make Alpha Team Assault. Why do you guys make Alpha Team Assault instead of Bravo Team? To feel comfortable and safe. Some of them might have weapons. They might be looking all over like this, lost. But you go to them and says, hey, low ready, come on. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna see maybe the doctor, the Kevlar is like this. Weapons all over the place. You go to the doctor, he says, ma'am, fix, come on, let's go, we're in combat, let's do this. Okay? You guys gotta look sharp tomorrow and
Yes, sir.
always have security. Always look like you know what you're doing. That's how they're gonna trust you guys. Okay, go get water. Is it clear or no clear?
Clear? Tingnan mo. Hindi, no?
Clear na.
So, yan. Sige.
Pag diri tap, tanaw do diri.
Sige. Tingnan ko muna.
Diri, dira lang ka. Tanaw do diri.
Hindi makita ang infam.
Sa diri kung tama pa.
Ganun pa rin. Sige. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 said, packing Marines. 1, 2. No, pagani. 1, 2, 3.